WP AutoRewriter review demo and $2,350 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my WP AutoRewriter. Now this is an amazing piece of software that will allow you to rewrite articles in an instant, and these will be 100% unique, which Google loves. Now you can use these for your own websites and blogs obviously, or right here in this review video I'm going to show you how to actually make money with it. If you don't own a website, if you don't want to do this for yourself, but you can actually do this for other people. And this is actually how I got started online. So I was, when I was brand new to making money online, I had a bunch of Fiverr gigs and I was essentially writing articles for people and rewriting articles for people. But the thing was, I was doing it manually, which means that I was losing around 15 to 20 minutes per article, per like 300 to 500 word article. Now you can do the same exact thing in minutes, and in a second we're going to check how much money you can make. But before, let me just mention my bonus again. I have a huge $2,350 custom made bonus that will make a lot of sense, especially for this promotion, if you want to start freelancing and just using this piece of software to sell articles and rewrite articles for people and make a ton of cash this way. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this WP AutoRewriter review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Fiverr and I looked up articles and blog posts, and I just wanted to show you how much people are actually charging for articles and blog posts. And keep in mind, in 2019 we have more and more websites, we had more and more blogs, and people need fresh content every single day. And most people owning these big websites don't have the time to do it themselves, and that's why freelance writing is only getting bigger, and there are a number of different places where you can sell these articles, where you can find clients. Fiverr is one of them, and as you can see, this person says, I will write a well-researched article blog post for $25, 72 sold. This one says, I will manually rewrite your article and blog post, $10, but this guy sold 623. I will write a stellar article or blog post for your website, 340 sold for $80. So you get the point, and these are articles. So obviously once you have this rewriting software, you can just grab any article from Easy Articles and just rewrite it, and it will be 100% original. So you can sell both writing gigs and rewriting gigs. Okay, so this is just what I found in the articles and blog post category. I also went to do rewrite article category, and as you can see, for rewriting people are charging anywhere from $10 to $50. Okay, so this guy says, I will rewrite an article, blog post, or web page, $50, and he sold 55 gigs. So as you can see, this absolutely works. People need fresh content for their websites and blogs every single day, and you can be that person that not writes it manually, because this is what these people are paying for, but you can rewrite it automatically, maybe go through it just to make sure that it makes sense, and send it back, and you are done in under a minute. So a lot of money is to be made in this little niche. And again, I am the living proof of this working, because when I still had my 9-to-5 job, I was actually doing this myself, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job with my Fiverr income. Okay, so again, this absolutely works, and I'm the living proof of it. Now I also went to Upwork, and on Upwork people are charging anywhere from $40 to $100 per hour for writing, so as a freelance writer, etc. You can also go to iWriter, and on iWriter, even if you are a standard writer, which means the lowest quality writer you can be, you're going to be making $140 per 150 words. So which means that for a 500 words article you're going to be making $350, but if you are an elite plus, you're going to be making $37. So even if you just want to spin it and do nothing else, not proofread it, you don't want to correct it, you will still probably make around $6 for 500 words, which means that obviously the bigger article is, the more money you'll make. And even with the standard pricing right here, you should be making a ton of money, because you won't have to do anything manually. Okay, so iWriter.com, and the last website I wanted to show you is People Per Hour. And on People Per Hour, people charge anywhere from $25 to $60 per hour. again, as a writer, as a translator, and the cool thing about WP AutoRewriter is that it works in many different languages. So English is not the only language that you'll be able to use. You have many different languages you can use, okay? So with that being said, let's take a look at the sales page, and the sales page says, attention all site owners, profitable content creator, new WordPress plugin generates high quality unique content that gets free traffic and earns profits day after day, works in any niche, never write another line of text. So obviously if you have a website, you know the power behind it, you know that you need fresh content and it has to be unique for Google to actually rank it. But again, I know that a lot of you guys are new in the make money online space. Maybe you don't own a website, you can still make money with this, just offering simple writing services to other people with websites, okay? So scrolling down here, so obviously, you know, sites like BuzzFeed, like Mashable, like Wired, they need a ton of content every single day, and this is how they are getting it. So they have a ton of proof, a ton of testimonials right here. Again, WP AutoRewriter, that's the name of this product, and this is my WP AutoRewriter review. Some more testimonials here, and Igor, Amit, and Ulhab, these are the three guys behind this product. They're gonna have a little demo right here. Now this is a 15-minute demo, so I'm actually going to include the same demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So if you're watching this review video on my YouTube channel, the video that I will upload right after this one will be this 15-minute long demo video. Of course, I don't want to bore you to death with all the features right here, so I'm just going to do a short one right here. And again, on my blog, the video right below this one should be the demo video, so you'll be able to check it out as well. And these guys will have a couple of price options. Now keep in mind, this is the early bird price, so $21 for the single site license and unlimited sites for $22, and we're gonna cover the pricing in a second. So as always, you get 30 days money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. So right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. And this is how it looks like once it's installed. So we got WP AutoRewriter. As you can see, we got the knowledge base right here, we got support, we got video training, and we have the changelog. Now again, I'm not going to be going through all of this right now, but you can just, you know, edit all the settings right here. In the demo video, you know, these guys will explain exactly what this is and how it works, but let me just tell you that a part of this working in English, you also have Dutch, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Romanian, and Turkish, and you have a bunch of different settings right here. So you can exclude title words from the post content which will be rewritten. You can rewrite the title or not. You can rewrite the title and avoid post content to be rewritten. You can exclude the URL, or you can rewrite the hyperlink. We can rewrite all the links if you want to. You can rewrite all the inside quotes. You can disable rewriting for manual edit posts. You can disable the in-app synonyms, and you can enable automatic rewriting. So again, I'm going to have a full demo explaining all of these. And right now, let's go to synonyms. And again, just in the synonyms, you just have to know that you have a bunch of different languages, the ones that I already mentioned. And plagiarism, this is the exciting part, because you have to know that this rewritten article will be 100% Google ready, which is 100% unique. Okay, so this is what you need. This is what you will need if you would want to sell these articles on Fiverr or anywhere else. You can say this is 100% plagiarism checked, is 100% unique, so you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to Google and ranking these articles on Google, on the first page of Google. Okay, so obviously then you can register the key and everything else. So this is what you're getting with the WP AutoRewriter. Now when it comes to the post, this is how it looks like. So obviously you're gonna have to edit your WordPress post. Now if you're gonna scroll down, as you can see, you have the WP AutoRewriter options. So we can click right here to rewrite this post. Then we have the synonyms, we have the original article, and then we have all of these other options: update content in editor, create a new rewrite, and we can even do some SEO from within. So, okay, so this is exactly how it looks like. Now again, I'm not going to be doing a full demo. I'm going to have the demo video both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Let me just show you this part right here, they have customer support like no other piece of software. So you can find the knowledge base right here. You can also send them a ticket, so these guys will actually help you if you have any questions whatsoever. And just to show you the features in brief again, so this will automatically spin any post. It will spin the titles and the slug, so the short version of the post if you want to. It works with Newsmaker Pro and Content Lab. If you already have two of these products, you can do bulk spin, you can do WooCommerce support, you can do manual interface for modifying rewritten posts. You have full control over the synonyms databases. Okay, so you can actually add your own synonyms. You have custom thesaurus support, you have excluded category support, you have excluded title words from spinning, so spin manually written post support, you have multi-site support, and you have the plagiarism checker and also SEO extension and dashboard widget. So this is exactly what you are getting in brief. And right now let me show you all of the OTOs and the pricing. Okay, so as we already talked, the main price will be $21 for a single site license or $22 for unlimited sites, and that's the early bird price. The price will be going up very fast, so everything that I just showed you will be included with the main product. Okay, now OTO number one is called WP AutoRewriter Pro, and you're getting everything from the main product plus a commercial license, unlimited websites installation, access to 7 third-party spinning API configuration, and also 2 WordPress themes as a bonus. Okay, so actually I have a full written review including the funnel, so as you can see this will be $47. Then we have OTO number 2, which is WP Auto SEO. So again, everything from the main product and OTO 1, and you're gonna get an AutoRewriter SEO extension and also 5 WordPress themes as a bonus, and this will be $47 as well. Okay, OTO number 3, as you can see, you get WP Auto Content, and this is the Auto Content plugin. So a part of rewriting, you can also create content from scratch if you need to, and this will be an additional plugin. So as you can see, going back right here, I have both installed. So we have the WP AutoRewriter, and as another one we have WP Auto Content. So this is an additional plugin, and this will be $47 as well. And then the last OTO is WP AutoRewriter reseller's license, which means that you can essentially sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself on both the main product and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the end price of the main product is $27, is $22 or $21 for the early bird discount. And again, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so check it out if you like to read instead of watching videos. And right now let me show you all of my bonuses, because I have $2,350 worth of bonuses, including some custom made stuff, some exclusive especially for this promotion, and also some software solutions. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you a freelancing Bible, which is a custom bonus made especially for this promotion. You're also going to get 3 of my top selling Fiverr products. Okay, so inside you'll see exactly how to set up gigs, sell the gigs, optimize your gigs, how to do upsells on Fiverr and everything else. So you're going to get Fiverr income secrets, you're going to get Fiverr masterclass, and you're going to get Riser, 3 of my top selling Downloads of the Day awarded courses on Fiverr. You're also going to get newbie traffic formula. You are also getting Flip Me, my best selling course on flipping, with the income booster, which is OTO 1, and with the reseller's license. So that these 3 bonuses alone are worth $100. You're also gonna get urgent arbitrage cash and easy arbitrage profits, 2 courses on flipping again, or arbitrage, however you want to call it. We also have Blaze, a course on how to generate free traffic from Facebook, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study, and 9 additional plugins and software. So you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now you're also gonna get 10 additional bonuses, which are Authority Traffic Matters, Facebook Live Reaction, AsynPress, FaceZan, Vid Builder, which is a video sales page funnel builder, press play, WP image and video commenter, social auto poster, slick pop, and WP Vidbot. Now I have all of these bonuses listed right here with the explanation and a little description, so you can check it all out, and that will be a total of $850, plus you're getting my mega bonus as always. So my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, which brings it up to a total of, again, $2,350 now. Obviously, if you want to pick it up, you can just use one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description. This will take you to the sales page once it's live, and WP AutoRewriter will be going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 15th. So make sure to show up early for the early bird price. Make sure to use my link to get all of these bonuses that I just mentioned. And just to sum up this review, essentially you can rewrite any article or blog post in seconds. Multiple languages are supported. Video training is included. You can use this from anywhere, so you don't have to actually install anything. This is not a software that you have to install on your computer. Use it how many times you want, and you can do this over and over and over again easily. And obviously you can do this for yourself or your clients, and my bonuses will actually show you exactly how to do this on Fiverr and make a ton of money this way. So again, guys, check out my full written review. Use one of these blue links if you are on my blog to pick it up. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.